Sanjeevini, the power of nine, a complete meal in itself. Traditional wisdom for modern lifestyle. Sadhguru says, most Indians are on a single cereal diet, either rice or wheat. This can definitely cause health problems. It is important to bring a multigrain diet into one's life. Isha Life Sanjeevini brings the goodness of 9 power-packed ingredients in one health mix. It ensures your daily nutrition requirement is met even in the hectic schedule, as it is a complete meal in itself. In this video, we will cover these aspects of Sanjeevini: an introduction to Sanjeevini, ingredients of Sanjeevini and its qualities, benefits of Sanjeevini, and how to make the Sanjeevini drink. Traditionally, in Indian household, it was a common practice to create a health mix by combining 8 to 9 varieties of grains. Sanjeevini is an endeavor to keep alive this recipe, which has been handed down the generations with the same 100% natural and preservative-free goodness. What makes Sanjeevini a superfood and a complete meal in itself is the healthy combination of locally grown multigrains which have been part of our diet for millennia. It is a combination of these 9 powerful ingredients. Jowar or sorghum millet. It is a complex carbohydrate full of iron, vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients. Bajra or pearl millet is known to be high in magnesium and potassium and supports healthy hair, skins, and nails. Ragi or finger millet is known to be high in calcium and iron. Chana dal or fried gram is a superfood as it has a significantly lower glycemic index. It is also rich in antioxidants. Green gram. Green gram is a rich source of plant protein and has a high fiber content. Soya. Soya is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Groundnuts. Groundnuts are known as yogic superfood. They are rich in protein, fats, dietary fiber, and contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. Rice and wheat. Rice and wheat are the most commonly consumed grains as a part of everyday diet in India. They are rich in carbohydrates and minerals like calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium. Besides the 9 nuts, grains, pulses, the health drink mix also contains cardamom, cloves, dried ginger, and country sugar. This not only enhances the flavor but comes packed with their own nutritional benefits. What are the benefits of Sanjeevini? Natural energy booster. Sanjeevini is an ideal health drink mix for people who wish to shift to a healthier plant-based option. One can easily include Sanjeevini in their daily schedule, whether it is after daily workout or an intense yoga session, as it serves as a natural energy booster. It can also be a healthier substitute for chemically induced protein powders. People who are involved in sports and have a high level of physical activity as a part of their lifestyle, Sanjeevini can serve as an ideal choice, which will not only fulfill all the daily dietary requirements but also enhance energy levels. Devoid of any preservatives. Since Sanjeevini is devoid of any preservatives, chemicals, and added artificial flavors, it is a go-to drink for people who prefer food which are 100% natural and preservative free. Immune booster. Sanjeevini works as an immune booster. It can be consumed by children as well as elderly people. It also forms a complete meal providing balanced nutrition. Improve digestion. With a good amount of dietary fiber, it works to improve digestion. Promoting bone density. Women in generally tend to have a lower bone density as compared to men. Sanjeevani can serve as a rich source of calcium and may aid in promoting bone density. A complete meal with all around nutrition ranging from protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Sanjeevani provides nutritional representative of a complete meal. This makes it the best health drink mix for growing children. Nourishing option for lactose intolerant people. Lactose intolerant persons can switch to Sanjeevani for their health drink requirements, as it is able to provide all necessary nutrition without the addition of milk. Additionally, for children who are averse to milk, Sanjeevani can be a nourishing substitute capable of providing the required nutrition without adding milk. How to prepare Sanjeevani? Two types of Sanjeevani are available with Isha Life. 1. Sanjeevani regular and 2. Sanjeevani instant. Sanjeevani instant. This formulation doesn't require any cooking. We can mix the powder directly with water. How to make it? To make 1 glass of Sanjeevani, take around 250 ml of water. Boil the water or make it warm. When the water is warm, pour it in a cup. Take around 20 grams of Sanjeevani instant powder, which is equivalent to around 2 tablespoons, and mix it with the warm water. Stir it well. That's all is needed. Your Sanjeevani instant is ready to be consumed. Relish the taste. Sanjeevani regular. How to make it? Take around 50 ml of plain drinking water. Add 2 spoons, that is around 20 grams of Sanjeevani powder to it, and stir it to make it paste-like. Now boil around 250 ml of water. When water is boiled, add the paste made into the boiling water. Boil the mixture for 5 minutes, stirring it continuously until it reaches a porridge-like consistency. Now it is ready to be served. For richer taste, you can add jaggery or palm sugar. You can serve Sanjeevani hot or cold.